Hey guys, welcome back. To continue from our previous video, today we learn another function which is again more important in terms of data analysis or data cleaning. That is here function. Now, what here function does is it generates the integer value, that is 4-digit value of the corresponding year in the date that you specify. Now the range of years being retrieved is between 1900 to 9999. The year function was previously launched in 2007 and is categorized under the date function as we have seen it. So when you evaluate the year function, the Excel tool extracts the year from the date format or the date serial number formats. So usually the year function is shown as, or the syntax of year function is year. You specify the date or the serial number of the date. Yeah, anything that you specify, it will pull the year from that specific date. We'll use these dates which we have used earlier in various formats. These dates are in various formats. Another is text format, but it's system way of representing a date. Then we have a serial number from where we will pull out the year. So let's try to find out the year of this particular date. Okay. So how do you use it? So is equal to, you specify is equal to year and then specify the date from where you want to pull out the year. So I'll close the bracket and you can see the year is generated in the format 2024. That is 4 digits of the year. Let's try the same thing for our next format, that is 79, wherein the year is shown in 2 digits. Still, it will give you the 4 digits, 1979. Let's see for this one, equal to year 1990, that is 29th October 1990. Let's see if it is able to give you the year. Yes, it is. Let's see for a text formatted date, but it is in the form of a system date. So I'll say year, system formatting, and this is year. Say enter, you get the exact year. Let's try this for the system or the serial number, which is 2019. Yeah, let's remember that. So is equal to year. What is the year of the serial number, which is supposed to be 2019, as we saw right now when we change the formatting? No, it is giving you, okay, 5,000. So usually it should give you the date, which is the formatting. It is 2019, right? But it is giving me 2005. Okay, I have selected the wrong cell. So here is 2000. Let me convert it to serial number once again. So is equal to year and the serial number, it is giving me 2009. Yeah. Now if I try to run here on a text formatted string, which is also not in a system generated format, wherein you should have month first and then the date, a day, it will give me a value error. So this is how you use year function to retrieve year from a specific date or serial number which has been provided in your data. Okay. Now there are few things that you need to remember. Microsoft Excel uses date serial number, which is one is for 1st January 1900 and could be 3,948 for a January 1, 2008. Yeah, because January 1, 2008 is 39,448 days from the day January 1, 1900. Yeah. You also need to remember that Year function will not work in any of the earlier version before Excel 2007. It will give you a name error because at that point of time, year function didn't exist at all. So another thing that you need to remember is if I specify any date which is prior to 1900, so if I make it as 1800, yeah, it will give you an error. Yeah, it will not work. Even if this is converted to a serial number, still it will not work. It will give you a value error. If negative value is specified with the serial number, then this function will return the num error. So suppose this number is specified as minus 43501. This number. Yeah. So if I have the serial number in a negative format, it will give you a num error because you cannot use serial number of dates in a negative format to get the year, day, or month. So even if I try to get the day or month, it will still give me the same error. So here, these three functions, day, month, and year, are specific to data cleaning, data manipulation, or data analyzing, wherein you can play around with their specific numbers to get your data analysis done. Hope you understood the concept of this function that is here as of now. Hope you like this video. Do like it, share it across with your colleagues who want to learn Excel. Comment if you want me to cover any of the topics which any of the topic which is most important for you in this 365 days of Excel journey. And yes, do not forget to subscribe to my channel because that's how you're going to get all these videos as a notification whenever you try to access your channel or your YouTube videos. Also, yes, that will also motivate me. Your subscription will also motivate me to create such free contents, uh, which will be useful for everyone to learn free of cost. Thank you so much.